How to hide friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can hide friends on Facebook, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. If you'd like to hide your friends on Facebook, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is open the Facebook application first. Once you launch the Facebook application, what you want to do is just make sure to tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option there, you want to simply go to the gear icon over here, which is the settings option. Then after you've done that, just go to this option known as privacy checkup and tap on it. When you go to privacy checkup, go to who can see what you share, and once you've done that, you can just tap the continue option again from the bottom, and again after you've done that, just keep scrolling down. You'll find friends and following, and here you can see who can see your friends list on your profile. If it's set to some other ones and you want to make it completely private, you can just set this to only me, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically see your friends or maybe hide your friends list on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.